Yimifanekiso ekumila kunje kanye evusa umnyele ngedabi laseUkraine naseRussia. Amanye ama-Afrika ahlala eUkraine ebezama ukubalekela kwamanye amazwe afana nePoland, kodwa awaphatheka kakuhle. UMzantsi Afrika uzigxeka kabukhali ezi ziganeko.
I was fairly shocked this morning to get a message that African students trying to get through the Poland border were being pushed to the back of the line because they are black and being denied entry in the queued position in which they were in.
Unozakuzaku waseUkraine kweli loMzantsi Afrika uthi ubomi baye nawuphina umntu buxabisekile kakhulu.
As the embassy here, together with the embassies of African countries located in Ukraine, together with the Ministry, of course, of Ukraine and the government of Ukraine, to save their lives, because every life is matter.
Kusenjalo iChildren of Fire iqhankqalaze ngaphandle komzi wozakuzo waseRussia ePitoli.
Our children, many of them have been injured in war zones. They've been injured by soldiers. They are very aware of what war can do.
Ukanti Moscow ithi ngamazwe asentshona phembelele lidabi phakathi kwalamazwe mabini.
What we're trying to tell these children and to all children of the world that Russia was forced to do this. We didn't come there by chance or by our desire. We want to stop the war.
Ngethuba elidabi lisaqhuba liya lisanda inani labantu abaphulukana nobomi eUkraine.